5359 South Marsha Terrace, Homosassa, Florida. Welcome to your new home. So glad you could make it out to see this beautiful property. So this is a move-in ready, completely remodeled home. As you can see, there's a beautiful pool out back that we'll take a look at here in a moment. Absolutely awesome open concept kitchen. That's a movable island there with seating. We have beautiful countertops, absolutely gorgeous stainless steel subway tile, white cabinets, brand new appliances. Check out the sink. Lots of space, nice large sink basins, and a wood-burning fireplace. Let's go ahead and check out the bedrooms. You'll notice that we have ceramic tile throughout this home. Nice storage linen closets. Here is the first bathroom, tub shower combo, beautiful tile, nice new vanity and lighting. Second bedroom here is a good size. Again, the tile floors, wood look tile. We've got a nice closet there. All of the bedrooms have lights and fans. Nice entry closet. To this side of the home, we have your laundry room. We'll go down there in a minute. We've got the master suite here. And we've got a nice hallway with closets and then a beautiful ensuite bathroom. Again, updated fixtures, tub shower combo in this bathroom, and the same ceramic tile flooring. Down this wing, we have a nice spacious laundry room. You've got a folding area. You've got some extra storage. You've got the racks there if you need to hang things to dry. You've got racks over here. You've got an extra closet. This is an awesome bonus. So this is a utility room, but this will provide excellent storage, whether it's the Christmas tree, just overflow that you need to store and just keep out of sight. This space is perfect. This is the third bedroom. This room is quite large. And again, you've got the fan and the light, and you've got a slider that goes out to the driveway in the front yard. So very nice setup there. Now let's head to the back of the home so we can look at the outdoor living. So this back room here is set up with a little mini serving area with a sink. You have a pass-through window that looks out to the pool, a nice mini split air conditioning system just to add a little extra cool in this room, and helpful if you want to have the sliders and the doors and things open. But this is a huge room, be an excellent game room or just a place to entertain. Absolutely perfect. And we have a sparkling blue pool here. Plenty of space to splash and swim and just enjoy family time. We've got a covered area for chairs and tables and whatever you want out here. And then we head on to the yard, and this is just slightly over 0.3 of an acre. And we've got a nice storage shed. It has electric, lots of room for storing things here. You see that the back of the property is fenced, and it's vacant lots behind and next door to this property, so lots of privacy. Everything in this house has been updated. It is ready to go. This is an area that does not have deed restrictions, so you don't have to worry about if you want to make any changes. It's easy to do, but this is an excellent buy. So if you're looking for something like this, please call me, 352-476 3303. Ruth Squires, your Realtor on Demand. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great day.